To be cool or to be, I don't know, to be underground was to be totally unknown and to play in this room that maybe only 3 people were there and there were only rumors what happened in that room. And since social media came, popularity started to be measured by likes.
Yeah, well, it was, you know, when I started out when I was like 16 and I was DJing, I was buying records to DJ. And then there was only a certain amount of records that I could play that, you know, I connected with.
I think what's happened in the past few years has been that the electronic scene generally has become a lot more popular. There's a lot more money in it as a result of that. And, you know, when you inject money into something, then there's always going to be people who just look to make money out of it and you know, lose perspective of why it became popular in the first place.
To a place I know you wanna go. It's a good life. Hey, 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 yeah.